Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a new product which is launched by Google. It's related to coding in AI. First of all, it was Google Gemini. Now it is Project IDX. It is also known as now Firebase Studio. It basically runs in the browser itself. If you just type here Project IDX on Google, the very first link which comes right here, this is the thing. It directly runs in the browser. Now it is called as Firebase Studio. So this is the product here. Simply click on this button, go to Firebase Studio, and this is their official web page, firebase.studio. So it's a full stack AI workspace editor which directly runs in your browser itself. It's similar to VS Code, but it is called as Firebase Studio. You will see it also adds up the functionality of Google Gemini, which lets it's fully AI powered. So now to get started, click on that button, get started, and then it will redirect you to the Firebase Studio editor. So you just need to accept the conditions, click on confirm, and after you accept it, you will be granted with this interface where you will be able to ask any sort of question related to coding here. And here, let's suppose I basically ask a question here. So in the drop down, you will see every language is supported: Go, Python, Java, .NET. You have Angular, Next, Node. So you can even import a GitHub repo as well by clicking this button. Let me just ask a question here. Build a simple React calculator full web project. So you simply ask the question, and after asking that question, it will generate the response for you, and automatically it will open it in an editor, generating all the necessary source code files. And it also gives you a live preview of your web application as well. So you just need to wait. It is generating your response. So as you can see here, it is prototyping this app here. You click that button here, prototype this app. So then switch to code here. You have this button here. If you see switch to code, switch to prototype. So we have these buttons here, which you can directly use to get the actual project code. And also we get this publish button, which you can directly use to publish that application which is generated by this Firebase Studio. So now you get all the necessary files here. If you see in the left hand side, it is generated this project here. It is generated by Firebase Studio, and these are the different components here of this project. You just need to publish this project. So it will just create a project, link your Google Cloud billing account, and then enable the Firebase services. So in this easy way, you can do that. So now we are having one project, but we can even create multiple projects as well. So let's suppose I say build a simple calculator in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can do have multiple projects at the same time. You simply write it in the prompt, and then it will generate the response for you. So for this, you don't have to have any sort of things installed. You can access it Firebase Studio directly in the browser, and then it will generate the prototype. Here you will see it is generating this. You can click to switch to code here, and then it will generate the source code files. So this is the Firebase Studio, guys. It's very easy to do, implement. So you can even import a GitHub repo as well, or upload your own project as well by clicking that button. So definitely check out this. So you'll see that you click to switch to code, and then it will automatically generate the source code files here. If you see that, so simply go to studio.firebase.google.com to access this tool. It has the power of generating your, and start using it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.